Rongsheng Refractory is located in Xinmi City, Henan Province of China. With convenient transportation and minerals provide favorable condition for the production of refractory materials. Our company covers an area of 18,250 square meters and has 128 employees, 2 large production lines. After more than 13 years of development, Rongsheng Refractory had developed into a large, modernized, internationalized, and comprehensive refractory enterprise, integrating science, industry, and trade. Our main products included various shaped and unshaped refractory material, such as refractory bricks, lightweight insulating bricks, refractory castables, refractory cement, and other refractory products. In addition, Rongsheng Refractory has 4 subsidiaries and has obtained CE, ISO 9001, ISO 45001, ISO 14001, etc. We sold our products to all over China and overseas over 100 countries. Can provide customers with differentiated, serialized, customized refractory products and services. We have a professional R&D design and quality control team. From production to construction, and then to customer care, a complete service chain has been formed. We can provide refractory material products, construction execution plans, kiln operation and maintenance, and worry-free after-sales service. We sincerely invite every friend all over the world to come to visit here. Hope we can have chance to be partner for a long time and develop together on the basis of equality and mutual benefits.